Hi everyone, Sandra here from the Schwowin's Nest. Today I am so excited to be participating in the Ultimate Wreath Challenge. This is hosted by Natalie at Design to the Nines and Jessica from A Little Bit of Calm and Crazy. Natalie is an interior designer and she does some amazing and beautiful home decor DIYs. Jessica's channel is all about home decor on a budget and she uses a lot of items from the Dollar Tree. I will have Natalie and Jessica's channels in the description box along with the playlist link. Thanks to all of my current YouTube subscribers. If you're new to my channel, please feel free to click that red subscribe button. I decided to do something unique for this wreath challenge and use a square wreath form instead of a round one. I picked this one up at the Dollar Tree. Then I've got this roll of burlap fabric. I'm going to cut them into some lengths and then just simply tie them onto the wreath form. The ribbon is quite wide, so I am going to fold it over on itself before I tie it onto the wreath. Once I've got some of the burlap tied on, I'm going to take a look at it and cut any of the ends that might be too long. My designs always adapt and vary depending on how things are turning out. So now that I've got some of these ties put on, I decided to go with 4 on each side. So I'm going to be making this wreath a little bit different. It's not going to be equal all the way around. I'm going to make it a little funky. For this next step, I'm going to be using the wired greenery that you can pick up at the Dollar Tree. There are 12 of these stems to a pack, and I'm just going to start twisting them around in between the burlap ribbon. When I get to the bottom of the wreath where there isn't any burlap, I'm just going to continue with these ties and wrap them all the way around. I'm really into flocking the greenery this year, and flocking means adding some snow-like effects to it. I decided to just take some acrylic paint and some Mod Podge and I mixed them together, and I'm just using a dollar store brush to just brush it on lightly, basically giving it a dry brush effect. I'll do this for all the greenery, plus I'll also give the burlap a little bit of a snow-kissed look. I want this frame to be rustic and more farmhouse. So you can see I have some wood slices that I got from the Dollar Tree that I've glued around. I've also got some little pine cones that I'm going to add to it. And I also have some larger pine cones that I'm going to add to one of the bottom portions. I also found some really nice dark red berries from the Dollar Tree, and I've cut them apart and glued them on opposite sides of the wreath. I decided to also give the little pine cones and the berries a little touch of snow. I'd also like to apologize for the wreath being halfway out of the frame. I didn't realize that until I was almost complete. I'll be taking this wreath with me to a craft fair. Let me know in the comments box what you would be willing to pay for it.